Hey, Aubrey, can you tell me what you're doing?
Make bird.
You're making a bird. What is that?
Bird.
You making birds? Whoa, did your bird fly? Look, come here. You're gonna make another one? All right, go get your paper and bring it in here. Come here. No, no, no. Aubrey. Are you getting your birds? Where are you? Come here. Come here. Hey, Aubrey, look at Mama. Who taught you how to make those birds? Who taught you how to make the birds?
Purple. A purple.
Did you color your hand?
I color hand.
Aubrey, do you remember who made the birds at the beach?
Huh?
Who made those birds at the beach?
Dada.
Dad. No, who was that made the birds at the beach?
Wow.
Tell Mama who made those birds. You remember? Look at Mama. Was it Grandpa?
Grandpa. No. A Baba bird.
Bob's bird. Did Bob teach you how to make those birds?
Huh? I made birds. To fly. To fly. To fly.
Can you tell Bob thank you for teaching me how to make birds?
Daddy make birds.
Whoa. Do you show all your friends how to make birds? Look. Look.
Wow.
You can't see? All right. Can you tell Bob and Barb? Say, can you wave to them and tell them hello?
Hello.
Say, I'm fixing to go night-night.
Night.
Say, I got school in the morning. What are you doing at school tomorrow? What do you got at school tomorrow? What's at school tomorrow? I'm gonna show them your one trick before we go to bed. Can you show them your cartwheel? All right, do your cartwheel. And whoa! Say hands up. All done. All right, can you say night night? Come here. Come say night night. Come here. Real close. You don't want to? All right. Uh-oh. Say night night.
What is that?
Did the pillow fall apart?
Uh-huh.
All right. Say night night.
Night.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Can you wave? Blow a kiss.
Mwah!
Mwah. Bye-bye.